What up YouTube? So today's video, I'm going to install this carbon air vent to my 10th Civic on the side. So what I get for this install, for sure this carbon air vents, they come with the both side tape, but I don't like this, so I'm going to make a hole for the four sides, and then I will screwdriver it so it will make it stable. So for sure the nails, I got this at the Home Depots, and I asked the so I got this from Primitive Performance Auto Sport, so they say they recommend this Dremel, so I got this also, and I already do that, but I just got a shape of this carbon air vents to this carbon board, so I can cut this with the my Civic, and then for sure the masking tape. So I just finished masking tape it. So I think I'm gonna cut it like from like right here, the center of these lines, because it's actually too big for this, for example, yeah, like this. So because of this shape, so yeah, so this tape is actually a very good sign for where to cut it. So it's actually the half of this height, so I think I need to cut like right here, so it's gonna have a big enough space for putting it in.飛んでくる？こっち。
ハエが。
Okay, so I actually finished cutting it. I think I actually cut a little bit too right, so you know, maybe this part I got a little bit damage on this one, but I hope this one didn't impact that much. So let's try this out. So it's a bit loosened, but I think it's fine because I have the tape on here. Also, I will drill here, so I think this fit fine. So I finished drilling it too. It's very stable, better than the tape I think. Also the screw is black so it doesn't stand out. So you can tell from the far side, like you drill it, so it's very good. So you can see the finish every installment. I like how it comes out. Yeah, it's very fresh. So usually in this Civic, everyone will get the everyone want to get only one air vents on the left side because that's where the air intake comes. So it will help more airflow. But the reason why I get on the right side too, because I think it's weird only have one side right here. So I know it's just for design, but I like how it came out. See, it looks great.